Is BullX crypto bot preparing to exit scam its users? This is the main topic of today's video because in the past few days we had some speculation, some accusations, and finally we have BullX official answer to all of these accusations, questions, and also speculation. That's why today we're going to dig deeper to actually see what's happening with BullX, what's happening with overall meme market, and of course the best way to secure your funds and prepare for the future. So first of all, for my new viewers, of course, I have been talking about BullX quite a while. And from my personal experience, I believe BullX was one of the first of these meme coin trading platforms with really great UI, great information, and really beginner friendly. That's why I recommend it to all my viewers to actually test it out because it was super easy to get started trading meme coin projects. But I'm doing this video because there is some accusation and speculation that BullX is preparing to rug. So first of all, this came from this Twitter user called Nutrix. You can see he posted that's looking like 80% likely that BullX team has called it quits, and he has some of the factors. So the first one, CEO deleted his Telegram account. Next up, support team is non-existent. Number 3, deleted a bunch of top earning referral links. And number 4, people are unable to claim rewards due to them not refilling their treasury. So these are really serious accusations. One really important thing to know, this account is also promoting, I think, his own bot, which in my opinion is not the best practice to actually talk shit about your competitors. But I don't know, this is really PvP business. And if we're talking about 4 of these factors, one of them really stands out and is really personal to me. It's deleting the referral links. Because actually I had affiliate link with BullX and actually I made some decent money with the original BullX. After that, they launched BullX Neo. And actually they refreshed the affiliate links and they offered me also to become an affiliate. But they had one really strange rule that if I work with BullX, I cannot promote or talk about any other trading bots, which in my opinion makes zero sense to me because there's so many great tools. They're always updating, evolving. I cannot be stuck with this one bot. And also they had this rule, if I promote other bots, there is a risk of me losing my affiliate rewards and link, which of course I declined. After that, I saw some other creators promoting lots of different bots and also promoting BullX Neo. And for some reason, they didn't care. I asked them, they said, yeah, it's against our rules. So maybe now they're actually starting to care about the contracts and the rules, and maybe they're just removing some of these influencers, promoters who are actually promoting different bots. So this could be one of the options. And actually the team responded, and I think response was pretty good. So you can see right here, addressing the baseless FUD around BullX. And you can see they answered all of these 4 factors. So first of all, CEO Telegram inactivity. So our leadership Telegram accounts have been inactive since December last year, and it's in part of enhanced security protocols. And I think this could be pretty good security measure. Next up, termination of partnerships. And this is basically what I talked. They actually removed some partners which breached the contract. And maybe this could be the thing I was talking before. Number 3 is slow support. And I think, yeah, most of these meme coin projects in the beginning, they have great support, but also BullX has so many users, so many newbie users who have lots of questions. And I believe, yeah, of course, support could be backed up. Even big companies like Bybit or WireX, they have such a bad support. You have to wait for days, for weeks to get an answer. So I believe this is not a red flag. And number 4, issues with the claiming process. So actually, yeah, they're adding money. I tested myself because I have all the affiliate links for the old BullX, and you can easily claim your rewards. And one more bullish thing about BullX, and just to be 100% transparent, I don't promote BullX. You see there's no link of BullX under my video, but I launched my own meme money program where I basically teach everyone how to trade meme coins, how to find these projects, and even how to launch your own successful projects. Link in the description, join our VIP program. One more thing about BullX, they also announced this really big update. So you can see BullX is gearing up for the next big app update, and our team has been working tirelessly for months to deliver it. So actually from all this FUD, I think there's some positive things for BullX because again, their name is in the news. Again, they didn't rug so far from what I know. And also this is a good way to actually announce they have a big update incoming. One more thing actually I want to mention, if you're using BullX or any other bots, I always recommend you to not hold that much money in the bot because of course there's risks of the accounts being drained, of course a risk of project scamming, So anytime you finish your trading session, I recommend you to actually send money to your personal wallet, like Phantom wallet, and keep it safe. And the last thing, if we're talking about Twitter, I also wanted to plug my Twitter because I finally started posting. You can find the link in the description. And one great thing with X.com, I can post updates and news faster, which of course is great because with YouTube videos, I have to film them, I have to script them, I have to edit them, and it usually takes time. And sometimes the news get a bit old. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube, join our VIP program, and follow me on X.com. Links in the description. See you next time.